Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of engineering and innovation. In today's video, we will take you on an exciting journey, from the spark of an idea to bringing it to life. Get ready to learn about the step-by-step process that engineers follow to turn their ideas into reality. So, grab a snack and let's dive in. Segment 1. Understanding the design process. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about the overall framework of the engineering design process. It's a systematic way to solve problems and create new things. Just like when you're building with blocks, engineers follow several important steps. Let's explore them together. 1. Define the problem. The first step is to clearly understand the problem we want to solve or the need we want to fulfill. For example, imagine we want to create a better backpack for students that is lightweight and has more storage space. 2. Research and brainstorming. Once we know what we want to achieve, engineers do research to gather information and explore existing solutions. They brainstorm and come up with many different ideas. It's like when you're thinking of all the possible ways to build a cool fort using your imagination. 3. Concept development. After brainstorming, engineers start to develop their ideas into more detailed concepts. They draw sketches, use computer programs, or even build small models to show how their designs might look and work. It's similar to drawing a picture of the fort you want to build before gathering the materials. Segment 2. Refining the design. 1. Detailed design. Once engineers have a good concept, they start working on the details. They think about things like how the backpack will be put together, what materials to use, and how it will look. It's like planning and deciding what materials and colors you want to use for your fort. 2. Analysis and simulation. Engineers use computers to simulate and test their designs before making them. They can see if there are any problems or if the design needs to be improved. It's like using a virtual reality game to test if your fort will be strong and safe. 3. Prototyping and testing. Now comes the fun part. Engineers build a real prototype of their design. They use different tools and materials to create a working model. Then, they test it to see how well it works and if it meets the requirements. It's like building a small version of your fort and testing if it's sturdy and comfortable. Segment 3. Iteration and optimization. 1. Evaluation and feedback. Engineers carefully look at the results from testing and get feedback from others. They see what works well and what needs improvement. It's like showing your fort to your friends and asking for their opinions on how to make it even better. 2. Iterative refinement. Using the feedback, engineers make changes to their design to fix any problems or make it even better. They go through this process several times until they're satisfied with the results. It's like adding more pillows or rearranging the blankets in your fort to make it more comfortable and cozy. 3. Finalization and documentation. When engineers are happy with their design, they finalize it and create detailed drawings, instructions, and a list of all the materials needed. It's like making a step-by-step guide for others to follow when building your fort. Segment 4. Production and implementation. 1. Manufacturing and production. Now it's time to make many copies of the design. Manufacturers use the instructions and materials to create the final product. It's like building many forts using the plans and gathering all the necessary materials. 2. Launch and deployment. Finally, the product is ready to be used by people. It could be a new backpack that students can buy or a fort building kit that kids can enjoy. Engineers make sure everything is working well and fix any problems that come up. It's like opening the doors to your fort and inviting your friends to play and have fun. And there you have it, the exciting journey from an idea to reality through the engineering design process. Just like building with blocks or creating a fort, engineers use their creativity, knowledge, and problem-solving skills to make amazing things come to life. We hope you enjoyed this adventure through the engineering design process. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Thanks for joining us, and remember, you can be an engineer too. Keep dreaming, keep creating, and have a fantastic day.